What's up guys, Jack here and welcome back to another series of air rifle versus. And this is the third series, so we're going to be shooting three things. So the first thing I'm going to be shooting is a gas can. So this is from my inhaler, so it's empty, but yeah, so that's what we're going to shoot first. And thanks for 27 subscribers guys. See if you can see it. Oh no. Let me put it in the shade. Oh. Stay there. Right there. Let's see if you guys can see it. It's right. It is like there, kind of. So if you can't see that, I'm sorry, but I'm going to shoot it now. Let's go see it. Guys, I hit it. Can't find it. Where did it go? I hit it. I know I did. Flew off. What? Where did it go? Okay. Well, oh, here it is. I found it. Look, it's got like a dent in it. Right there. So, the next thing I'm going to be shooting is an egg. So, I'm going to go get that out. This is going to be hard to make a stand. Well, okay, so we're going to have to shoot it like that. Let me see if you guys can see it. Yep, you can see it. Right, I'm going to go shoot it now. It's taking so long guys, it's because I have to load my air rifle back up. Ugh. Okay, guys, I'm lying down ready to shoot it. This is going to be a hard shot. Oh my god, there's egg spilling over it. Let me show you this. Oh, focus. Look at that. Focus. Look at all that egg. The egg is completely smashed. All the egg yolk is dripping down. That was the best one I've ever shot. I think it's better than the Lynx can, better than the Coke can. Now I'm going to finish it off, shoot it with the water balloon, and then wash it off. So I'm going to set you guys back down. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, I'm going to go get the water balloon, load my air rifle up, and shoot this water balloon. Guys, this water balloon is absolutely massive. It's so big. So I'm going to shoot this and it's going to go everywhere. Right then, hopefully we can set it down easy. Move that eggshell. Oh my god, it's staying, guys. The egg is dripping down. Sorry this video is a long one, but I'm going to go cock my air rifle and shoot the water balloon. There it is there. Come on. I'm getting so hyped, guys. way, look, I'll show you now. There's barely any egg left, a little bit there, but that's fine. The water balloon popped. It is down there, I think. Nope, maybe not, but that's the end of today's video. Hit the like button and comment what you want me to shoot next video, which will be the 4th series. So, and by the way, shout out to FaZe Lupo for singing that song. It was pretty funny, but it must have been embarrassing for him. So, see you guys in the next episode. Peace!